Welcome! In today's recipe, we will be making a toast with a spicy chicken mixture. Prepare all the ingredients you'll be needing today, and let's get into it. Let's begin by cutting our bread into equal slices. We will get back to them later on. We begin preparing our vegetable mixture by cleaning and cutting the peppers and tomatoes into smaller pieces. Right after that, we finely chop the onion and we will fry it in a pot with an oil. Once the onion catches a slightly gold color, we add our chopped chicken into small pieces. We add the tomato puree, soy sauce, and our vegetable mixture. In the meantime, we are chopping the leek and we are adding it with the paprika and garlic into the mixture. With that, our mixture is done. Let's move to the bread. We put the slices onto the pan with a little bit of an oil. We wait until the bread is golden and crispy. And we're done! We put the mixture on the toasted bread and we can sprinkle it with parsley or anything according to our taste. I hope you liked today's recipe and enjoy!